What's cooking, Lakeville? Krista Jeck and Mayor Anderson here. Mayor, thank you so much for showing me the trails. This is amazing.
Isn't it awesome what our community has? 120 miles of bike trails. And here we are in beautiful downtown Lakeville.
Oh my gosh, and Doug, you know, you have been a part of Lakeville for a while, and downtown has a special place in your heart. So tell us a little bit about downtown and what people can expect, because obviously it's not just about all the fun activities, but once you get here, you can relax with friends, you can eat, you can drink. What can we expect?
Pretty much covered it, but so we've got all kinds of different restaurants downtown. There's activities from the escape room type of activity to curling, and there's also boutiques and other things to do downtown and flat out just enjoy.
Which is so exciting, and I think that is what's so neat about this town, and we've talked about this before, is these pods, is really embrace them, right? As we're out and you're biking the trails or walking the trails, there are so many different little pockets of our community that you can explore, and I just think that's such a great part of our town and designed that way.
Absolutely. We've really been on a resurgence, and things are only going to get better. And then here we are at Lakeville Brewing Company. And we're going to get to go inside and try a little bit of their refreshment as well as food, and we're looking forward to that.
I think, was that strategic on your part to make us stop here?
Absolutely.
Brilliant, I love it. Let's go in.
Okay, Krista.
Yes.
Here we are. We just had a great bike ride.
We did.
And now we've stopped at one of our 90 places in our city to get a bite to eat and have a refreshment. And so we're excited to be here at Lakeville Brewing Company.
Yes, we are here with owner Don Seiler. Don, thank you for having us here today as we need to come in and take a break from all this heavy biking that we've been doing.
So glad you guys stopped in. You know, the bike path, you know, kicks out right behind our place in downtown Lakeville, so perfect place to ride bikes, and we love welcoming people biking in here.
Oh my gosh. Well, okay, this wasn't always Lakeville Brewing, so let's hear a little bit. You're in kind of a historic building, which is kind of cool. So tell us a little bit about the history of this building.
That's really what drew us to this building in downtown Lakeville, because there is so much history here. The VFW Post originally built this building back in the 1950s, and since then operated as a pub, the Patriots Pub. When we took over this building, we were just excited to be able to continue that legacy, a place for families to gather and people to hang out and have a good time.
Oh my gosh, well, you've done such a great job. You've become such an important part of this community. And so tell us a little bit about kind of what inspired you coming here. And I know you've got some really fun things happening out here in the patio that I know we'll take a look at. So what's going on?
Yeah, we and our business partners were just very happy to be able to see our vision come to life. We really wanted a family gathering place. We wanted a place where people could get fantastic craft beers, but also have access to a full bar, full menu, and we wanted to be very family friendly. And the type of environment we try to create and we hope to maintain with all of the new building and refurbishment we're doing outside is just a family friendly atmosphere. The type of thing that you would find in a neighborhood with neighbors gathering and having a good time all summer long.
And a great place to ride your bicycles up to.
Yes.
Right off the bike trails. We've got over 120 miles of bike trails in the city of Lakeville, and you can end up here in downtown Lakeville.
Doesn't get any better than that, right? And you guys, when we get here, you do kind of a fun thing where you're able to pair your beers and your food. And so just tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, we have some very talented brewers that brew a wide variety of beers, from classic American light beer to some very malt-forward lagers, all the way to heavier beers, some stouts, some hoppy IPAs and fruity hazy IPAs. So pretty much everything you can find on the broad menu, you can find a beer that matches with it very, very well.
Wow. Well, Doug, I'm thirsty.
And I'm hungry.
Well, so let's try.
We should try a little bit.
Yeah.
Let's try some.
Yeah,
Sounds
let's
good.
grab some food and some beers. So we got two flights here. So this is just a sampling of the 14 taps we currently have on. The beer that the mayor just picked up is our 210 Light Lager. That's just an American light beer. We also have a cream ale. We have our Maibach, one of our seasonals that we put on. In addition to our flagships, we rotate through a lot of seasonal beers here. Another seasonal beer that we have on is our Dunkel, traditional German malt-forward lager. We have our Milk Stout over on this side, which is on the sweeter end of the spectrum, but a lot of big fans of our Milk Stout.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Lulu's Royal Wheat. That's a wheat beer.
Is this the orange?
Yeah,
okay.
that has the orange slice on it. That's a great summer beer. It's popular. We have it on year round, but we go through a lot of it in the summertime.
That goes down easy. Yep, absolutely.
And then our two IPAs, or two of the IPAs that we have 2 others on tap right now, but this is our flagship hashtag IPA, an American IPA.
Okay.
Very hop forward, but a lot of citrus and then some bitterness in the back. People who love their hoppy beers love that one.
Oh, but
including
I definitely pick up the citrus when I, get that, okay.
And then our Hazy Ipa. So this is a New England style IPA. So it's got plenty of hops, but it's not bitter. Okay. This is going to be more on the sweeter side. Sweet, citrusy, fruity.
Right, absolutely.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, so good, so refreshing. I'm ready to try some food that goes along with these.
I think that
tasty
would be
beers.
awesome.
All right, you're going to show some of your favorite concoctions
we'll
here?
We'll have some food coming out here shortly.
Okay, great. We're excited.
Thank you very much.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
Holy cow.
Sweet potato?
This looks amazing.
Holy smokes.
Okay, Don, how do we tackle this?
Don.
Where do we start?
So what we've got here is our famous Ruben Nachos. This has been on the menu since we started. It's like a deconstructed Ruben sandwich.
Okay.
It's got our pumpernickel bread crisped up in strips instead of having nachos.
Yes.
And we have our homemade corned beef, coleslaw, and then Thousand Island dressing to dip in.
Oh, Don, that's excellent. It's just the perfect combination, right? The coleslaw is crisp, the beef is very tender.
This is a popular appetizer, and a lot of people get it to share for the table. It's a good shareable item.
All right, okay, what else we got here?
We also have our pork tenderloin sandwich.
Why don't you pick that up and eat it? Why aren't you trying? Why don't you
Here, I'll cut you. How about I cut you a piece?
Oh my gosh.
This is
my
the
first
pork
dog
tenderloin.
wasn't that big. What? That thing is huge. Look at that. So, okay, go ahead. Sorry.
No, that's
Don.
fine. No, the pork tenderloin, flattened out, breaded, fried up nice and crispy. It's tender, it's delicious. We've paired it with our sweet potato tater tots. So the sandwich has lettuce, tomato, and just a little bit of our LBC sauce on it, which is our secret sauce.
And your sweet potato tater tots are kind of a little bit famous, right? I mean, that is something you're known for.
They're a popular item. That's one of 3 sides that you can get with any of our sandwich entrees. Sweet potato tots, homemade potato chips, and our hand-cut fries. And then we've also got, we'll make some room over here and slide this over. This is our mahi mahi tacos.
Don, I will say that almost everyone I know that eats here, they talk about your fish tacos. That is one of the things I hear more than anything.
We sell a lot of tacos, not just on Tuesdays, but the tacos, we have a variety of them, including pork, beef, chicken. But the fish tacos, you're right, they're among the most popular. Fresh mahi that's blackened, and with our corn salsa and a little coleslaw and a little drizzle of spicy crema.
Can people, obviously, if I come in and I want to order this and all of your staff is well versed on, okay, these are the beers that pair well with this?
Yeah, so our beers, since we have a wide variety, we have something that matches up with everything on the menu. And some of the lighter, crisper beers, hoppy beers go well with some of the spicier food. We like to pair our malt-forward beers with some of our tacos and sandwiches. Everything pairs nicely together, and our staff is well versed.
These tacos have just enough kick to them. I mean, it's just it's perfect. It lingers a little bit, so it just enhances the taste. It's
Minnesota spicy is what we call it.
Yeah, it's very good.
And this looks and tastes like summer, right? And it makes me excited for summer, and I know we're really excited for summer because you have got some really cool things happening out here. Tell us what we can expect.
We are so excited to finally be completing this project. It's been in the plans for a couple of years now, but we have expanded our patio. We're going to have a couple of permanent gas fire pits that are also tables. So there'll be fire pit tabletops. We'll have 2 of those, a high top and a low top. We just finished construction of a band shell, 10-foot by 20-foot covered band shell. So the live entertainment that we have throughout the week, and especially all summer long, and during great events like Pan of Prague and other big happenings downtown, we'll be able to have a nice venue for our bands and musicians to come and entertain everyone in the patio and in our yard. yeah, we're excited to have all of that come together and welcome everybody this summer again.
Well, and Don, thank you, because you really have helped to revitalize and bring our downtown into where it is right now. You're one of kind of the first businesses that have really come back and bring this atmosphere of food and entertainment and that. And so thank you. It's very exciting, and for you to continue to invest in our community and add more amenities. We're very excited to have you.
We really appreciate it, and we love the welcome that Lakeville gave us. And it's fantastic to have a location in downtown, right here in the heart of our city. We've got, not just us, there's another brewery across the parking lot. There's new restaurants that have popped up. So it really is a vibrant space. We were hoping that it would be the type of thing where families are deciding what to do on a summer afternoon or weekend. Like, let's just go to downtown Lakeville and walk around, enjoy everything there is to enjoy there, and hopefully sit down and have a great meal and some fun at our place.
Thank you for hosting us today, and we need to get back on our bicycles.
We do. We got to go keep exploring some more.
Absolutely.
All right. Sounds
you
good.
very much.
Thanks for
We'll see you later.
stopping in.
Absolutely. Thanks for having us.
Well, Krista, that was awesome, wasn't it?
Oh my goodness, such good food and good beer.
Yeah, absolutely. And here we are, we're back on our bikes. We're going to do a little bit more of a tour downtown here, and then we'll head back toward Antlers Park. How's that sound?
I'm excited. Lead the way.
Awesome. Here we go.
All right.
Whether it's fine dining, a treat to complement your next adventure, or grab and go quick bites, Lakeville has over 90 dining experiences to choose from. Check out LakevilleRestaurants.com to find out what's cooking.